Hi guys, welcome back to Python. My name is Rajesh Thakur, and today we are going to discuss about the Python basic. As you know, in order to learn anything new, we should know any kind of coding language. So today we are going to show you about the Python. As already we knows what is Python, and I'm not going in depth about that. But if you need any help, anything else, so you can please comment over there, and we will directly get back to you. So without getting delay, I would like to share my screen. So what is our agenda for today? Today, I'm going to discuss about list, tuple, set, dictionary, function, lambda, iterator, generator, map, reduce, filter function. So these are the different kind of high level agendas I set it for today. And I guess I cannot able to cover all those things with this video, but it will be continue for the next video. In the next video, please be continue and keep on watching. We will sync on the same. First we are going to discuss about the list. What is list? List is the kind of data structure where we can store the heterogeneous kind of data. Heterogeneous in the sense of we can store either integer, string, float, complex kind of data, anything we can store. Just like suppose I'm just going to give you how to initialize the list first, how you can initialize the list. So we are going to initialize the list with the help of the square bracket. This is known as the square bracket. So with the help of the square bracket you can initialize the list. And as you know, in the list we can give anything, means हम integer value भी दे सकते हैं, float value भी दे सकते हैं. So and even though you can store the complex number also, means 3 uh, plus 5j, like this. And also you can store string value also. Yes. And if you want to print it out, so I can print it also. Suppose you want to take a data one by one, so this also is possible in case of a list. Suppose you want to take a first value, so first index is 0, right? So if you are passing 0, so you are getting 1. And suppose you want to take the last value, so what you can take, L 0 1 2 3, so 3. If you are passing 3, you are getting Rajesh. And suppose you want to take complex number, so what is the index of that? 0, this is 0 1 2 and 3. So index of 2 means L 2. Yes, like this. And let's suppose L of 3, what we are getting, we are getting, sorry, we are getting this Rajesh. And suppose you want r of this, so how you can take a r of this Rajesh? Sorry, 0, we are getting r. And let's suppose negative indexing is also possible. As we know, how could I show you? 1 minute, give me a moment, I'll share one thing. Okay, so let's suppose in our case our list is like this, right? Here 1 is there, and there is float value is also here, and here is something complex number is, right? 3 plus 4j, and here is one string value also we have. Suppose you want to take a Rajesh, you want to take the string value, so what is the index of it is 0 1 2 3, right? And suppose you want to take a Rajesh, अगर आपको राजेश लेना है और इस लिस्ट का नाम है L, तो L of what is the index of Rajesh? Here is 3. So you will get Rajesh. Suppose you want R, to L of 3, we are getting Rajesh. With this, we are getting Rajesh, if I am not wrong. And if you want to take R, so what is the index of R? Here 0, right? So you can pass it like this also. Okay, this is the one way. Another approach, you can do the negative slicing also. Negative indexing is also possible. As so negative indexing will start from the -1, -2, -3, -4, right? So suppose you want to take a Rajesh, So either you can pass L3 or you can pass L of -1. That is both will give the Rajesh. Okay. Suppose you want to take the complex number, to L of -2, because there is the index is the -2. So you can take a -2, so it will give the complex number. So everything is possible here. So let's see. We are going to do all those things. Okay. Let's see. So L of minus one, yeah, we are getting the Rajesh. And suppose you want to take a Rajesh, right? You want to take H. How you can take the H? H is also possible like this. So here also negative indexing is possible, means L of -1. So you will get Rajesh, and -1 will give the H. -1 will give the H. And suppose you want to print reverse of the Rajesh, means if you अगर आपको राजेश का उल्टा print करना है, so that is also possible. What you can do, L of -1 -1. Okay, yeah. So हमने इसको रिवर्स कर दिया. हाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. लेट्स सी क्या हो रही है. L ऑफ -1, तो ये हमें दे रहा है राजेश, राइट. ये हमें दे रही है राजेश. And what is the, let's represent in the form of index, so it will be better understandable. R A J E S H, राइट. और ये इसका इंडेक्स है -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. ओके, करेक्ट है. तो हम कर क्या रहे हैं यहाँ पे, हम अभी हम रिवर्स प्रिंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, राजेश का रिवर्स प्रिंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे L of -1 we are getting in Rajesh. And if we are giving here start from anything end to till the end, and इसका स्टेप साइजिंग कैसा होगा, मैंने डिफाइन किया नेगेटिव स्टेपिंग होगी. so that's what it is going to print from the H to R. Okay, so yes, so that is also possible. Suppose you want to print one step, means एक एक अल्फाबेट छोड़ करके, तो -2 कर दीजिए आप, तो you will get like this. Okay, so this is kind of thing we can do it up. Yeah. Next, list is kind of iterable in nature. Iterable in nature in the sense of what? What is the list? What is the list? Let's see. L is what? L is our this one, 1 comma 2.4 comma complex, and this. And if you want to print one by one, so you can iterate over the for loop. For I in L semi this one, and print, okay, I'll explain this iterable generator, these two thing iterator, next two methods are there. That is very important in case of list or string. Okay, I'll explain these things in later in a better way. Just for now, you just understand list is in iterable in nature. And suppose you want to add something, you want to add a new element here. So what you can add, suppose you want to add at the second position, so L dot add, suppose you want to add at the second index, right? So 1 comma, and here I am going to add something like pybon. Okay, what is this? List object no attribute add. Oh, sorry. Append, and here you can add pybon. Yes, and now our new value of list will be like this, 1 2.2 to this. Okay, so this is also possible. Okay. Next. Next, suppose L dot pop, you are going to call the pop. So pop. So last element will get out. If you are calling the pop method, will call the last element of your list. Okay, this is also possible. And yeah, let's see. If you want to see the definition of this, the shift tab is the one method. Shift tab is the command to you can check the method definition. So what is saying, remove the return the item of the index. Okay, suppose you want to now I remove the pi1. Now let's see the what is the value of L. Now pi1 I removed, and now again I am calling the pop method here, and this time I am going to remove the first element. Let's see kya hota hai. And now next new value of L list is this. Okay, so this is the kind of things. Yeah, that's all about the list. Okay, and do the practice. If you face any issue in case of list, just let me know, I will help you. Okay, and yeah, next is tuple. Next is what? Next data structure is tuple. So let me mark down as a, and I'm going to show you tuple. So someone is pronouncing it as a tuple, someone is pronouncing it as a tuple. So it is completely up to you what you are pronouncing. So tuple and list, as of mine, it's everything is same in case of list and tuple. Both are completely same. Only difference in case of tuple, once you define the tuple, you cannot change the value. But in case of list, once you define the element in the list, you can add new element, you can remove the element. But in case of tuple, you cannot append, you cannot remove the element from the tuple. Okay, and a part of that, everything is quite same. Everything. One thing means indexing insertion order will be preserved, means in which order you are inserting the element, in the same order element is going to be fetched. Similarly, in case of list also, in which order we are inserting the element, same order, with the same order we are going to remove in the element. Okay, so next let's see what we can do. Okay, let's we are going to define the tuple. How we are going to define the tuple? So let's see like a tup is equal to, tuple is always defined with the parenthesis, like 1 comma 2.2 comma, same thing I am going to define in form of tuple. 2.2 comma comma 3 plus 4j, 1 minute, 3 plus 4j, 4j comma Rajesh. Okay, let's see, tuple has defined. Let's print tup. So tuple is also a iterable in nature. Okay, what is the iterable? We can iterate over the for loop. This is mean by the tuple. Okay, let's discuss about this also one by one. So for I in tup, print tup. Okay, next. Okay, so we had printed, and similarly insertion order will be preserved, I told you. So you can fetch the element with the help of index. Okay, why it is okay? So index always use the parent is square bracket, so I'm getting 1. Okay, and suppose you want to change the value, if you are trying to change the value, like 0th index, if I want to change with this 1, I would like to change with the 2. So it is saying error, like type error, tuple object does not support the item assignment, means you cannot change the value in case of tuple, but in case of list you can do the same thing. So this kind of facility is not available. But yes, you can do one thing. What you can do, you can convert the tuple in the list in form of list. How? Tup, sorry, 1 minute, I made a mistake. tup is equal to list of list is the one method, and pass the tuple object, and now your tuple has converted into the list. How you can check it converted or not? Type of tup, just check it out. Now it is giving the list. Okay, yes, so pretty simple it is. And now if you want to do the same task here, let's do the now this task. Now it is possible. See, now I'm not getting any error. And now let's see the tuple. अगर अब हम tuple के value को print कराते हैं, तो now let's see, you can see initially it was 1, now it become 2. So this kind of facilities is available. Another thing is that tup.pop. So yes, I'm getting this last element. Yes, and now tup yes, I'm getting this because it's a list, right? So you can remove it up. Now tuple be converted into the list. Okay, so this is all about the tuple. Next we are going to discuss about the set data structure. Okay, let me show you the set data structure. Set is the kind of data structure. Okay, let's first discuss about the representation. I would like to give the difference between the tuple and set. Tuple and list. One difference is that list is defined with the help of square bracket, and but tuple is going to define with the help of the parenthesis. Similarly, set, there is a set. Suppose set, I'm going to define it. Okay, set s is equal to, set is defined with the help of this kind of bracket, curly bracket. Okay, so okay, let's see, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, 1 minute, 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5 6 comma 6 comma 6. Okay, and let's print the set. Okay, let's print the set. Okay, now I'm getting, see here, how many 1 was there in that set? 1 1 2 time, 2 1 time, 4 1 time, 5 1 time, 6 2 time. But if I'm printing here 1 2 4 5 6, there is no repetition. So what we are understanding with the set में repetition allowed नहीं है. ठीक है, repetition allowed नहीं है in the sense of what, कि अगर आप एक ही एलिमेंट को बार बार इंसर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हो सेट में, तो वो उसको इग्नोर कर देंगे, राइट? सो दिस इज द वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट इन केस ऑफ सेट. ओके, या apart of that everything remains same. Only thing is that ki we cannot insert the duplicate element. Okay, next let's see s of 0. Yeah, I'm getting error. Object is not subscriptable, means insertion order will also not preserved in case of set. Means insertion order will not be preserved in case of set. means कि जिस ऑर्डर में हम एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करते हैं सेट के अंदर, सेम ऑर्डर में एलिमेंट को हम फैच नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए यहाँ पे इंडेक्स नंबर का रोल कोई प्ले नहीं करता है. ओके, गॉट इट. Another, let's suppose इस सेट का नाम है S1 and 1 minute, S1. okay, now एक और सेट में डिफाइन करता हूं S2. Yeah, you can store, and one more thing, in case of set also we can store heterogeneous element, no doubt. 4 5 6. Okay, and S2 मैंने डिफाइन किया, and S1 dot union S2. ओके, या तो लेट्स सी, यूनियन का मतलब आपको समझ में आता है. अगर इफ यू वांट टू चेक विद द वेन डायग्राम हाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द यूनियन, तो मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूं कि क्या होता है. लेट मी क्लियर दिस फर्स्ट. तो यूनियन का मतलब होता है, लेट्स सपोज ये मेरा एक सेट है S1 जिसमें है मेरा 1 2 4 5 6, और ये मेरा एक दूसरा सेट है जिसका नाम है S2 और इसके अंदर एलिमेंट है 4, 5, 6 और यूनियन का मतलब होता है हम दोनों को अगर वेन डायग्राम से जोड़ने की कोशिश करें तो इन दोनों का मतलब A प्लस B माइनस A इंटरसेक्शन B, क्योंकि ये इंटरसेक्शन वाला पार्ट इसमें 2 बार ऐड हो रही है, राइट। तो इन दोनों का कॉमन 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 विल बी द यूनियन ऑफ दिस। ओके, तो ये होगा इसका यूनियन। सिमिलरली इफ यू वांट टू चेक द इंटरसेक्शन, S इंटरसेक्शन S2, S1 इंटरसेक्शन S2 मतलब S1 इंटरसेक्शन S2, तो इसमें जो कॉमन होगा वही चीज हमको प्रिंट करना है, तो जाकर के हम लोग इंटरसेक्शन मींस इन दिस केस 4, 5, 6 will be the S1 intersection S2. Okay, hope it makes sense. And please, if you face any issue, let's do the comment so we can get back to you over there. S1 dot intersection S2. Okay, so we are getting 4, 5, 6. Okay, clear hai? Yeah. Next dictionary. What is dictionary? Next data type, data structure is coming as a dictionary. It's a very interesting thing, dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary, okay. So dictionary is kind of data structure where we are going to store the element in form of key and value pair. की एंड वैल्यू के पेयर में अगर हम डेटा को स्टोर कराते हैं तो वहां पे हम लोगों को डिक्शनरी चाहिए, ठीक है। ठीक है, तो लेट्स डिफाइन द डिक्शनरी। माय डिक्शनरी DICT। डिक्शनरी भी डिफाइन करली ब्रैकेट के थ्रू ही होती है, बस ओनली डिफरेंस इस क्या होता है कि इसमें जो वैल्यू स्टोर होते हैं वो की और वैल्यू के पेयर के रूप में होती है, ठीक है। तो जैसे कि लेट्स सपोज KEY की1 एंड कोलन वैल्यू आप दे दो इसमें वैल्यू 1 वैल1 एंड कॉमा की2 एंड वैल्यू अगर आप देना चाहते हो इसके अंदर वैल2 दे देते हैं एंड की3, और इसमें अगर आप वैल पुट करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे आप दे सकते हो कुछ भी लाइक वैल3। ओके, तो माय डिक्शनरी और यहाँ पे आप प्रिंट कर दो माय डिक्शनरी, तो यस इट गॉट प्रिंटेड ओनली नाउ। चलिए इसके अंदर का 1 मिनट। ओके, लेट्स सी। अगर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर की का वैल्यू चाहिए तो आप प्रिंट करा सकते हो माय डिक्शनरी की वेन। लेट्स सपोज हमको चाहिए KEY2 की2 का वैल्यू चाहिए, ठीक है। यस, आई एम गेटिंग द वैल्यू 2। और अगर आपको किसी की का वैल्यू को चेंज करना है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। लेट्स सपोज आपको की2 के वैल्यू को वैल2 के जगह पे वैल्यू 2 करना है तो वो भी पॉसिबल है, दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन डू की2 इक्वल टू वैल्यू2, ये अगर आप करना है दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। एंड लेट्स सी वेदर इट गॉट चेंजेस और नॉट। माय डिक्शनरी, यस इट गॉट चेंजेस। देखिए की2 का वैल्यू चेंज वैल2 से वैल्यू2 हो गई, राइट। और अगर आपको किसी की के वैल्यू को अभी क्या है सारे लोअर में है, अगर आपको अपर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। माय डिक्शनरी एंड की2 ये क्या देगा हमें वैल्यू 2 देगा, और इसको हमको अपर में चेंज करना है, राइट। अपर में चेंज करना है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। नाउ लेट्स सी कि ये वैल्यू भी अपर में कन्वर्ट हो गई। तो ये तो अपने ऊपर है, आप जैसे इसको यूज, कैसे आपको यूज करना है, दैट यू कैन डू। ओके, ठीक है। अगर कोई नया की ऐड करना है, लेट सपोज अगर आपको कोई नया की ऐड करना है, लेट सपोज की 3 है, राइट? अगर आपको की 4 ऐड करनी है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, यू कैन डू इट अप लाइक दिस। val 4, I'm going to add val 4. Okay, and now if you want to check the my dictionary, तो हमारे अंदर वैल्यू 4 भी आ गई है। ठीक है, हाँ। अगर आपको डिक्शनरी, इनसाइड ऑफ डिक्शनरी, नेक्स्टेड डिक्शनरी के ऊपर काम करना है, लेट सपोज इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ डिक्शनरी इनसाइड द डिक्शनरी, दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल। तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग नेस्टेड डिक्शनरी, नेस्टेड डिक्शनरी। ठीक है, तो ये कैसे 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 डिफाइन होती है, लेट्स सी। डी इज इक्वल टू, प्रोटोटाइप विल बी सेम, की 1, लेट्स सी, की वाई, की 1, ये मेरा की हो गया। और इसके वैल्यू के अंदर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एक और डिक्शनरी हम डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, और इसके अंदर है सब की, इसका नाम देते हैं सब की इनसाइड सब की। एंड यहाँ पे हम इसका वैल्यू देते हैं, लेट्स सपोज वैल्यू ही रख देते हैं अभी फिलहाल के लिए। तो एंड इट्स गॉट डन, एंड लेट्स प्रिंट दिस। यस, तो देखो, अगर आपको सपोज सबकी का वैल्यू चाहिए, राइट? तो पहले तो हम क्या करते हैं, डी के वाई की वन करते हैं, तो सबकी वैल्यू आता है। और अगर आपको इसका सबकी चाहिए, सिर्फ वैल्यू चाहिए उसका, तो अगर आप इस तरह से कॉल करते हो सबकी, तो ये भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग वैल्यू, राइट? फिर अगर आपको इसको अपर में कन्वर्ट करना है, दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, यू कैन कॉल अपर मेथड। यस, ठीक है। लेट्स सी, अगर आपको सिर्फ कीज चाहिए, लेट्स सी माय डिक्शनरी का सिर्फ कीज वैल्यू ही चाहिए आपको, तो माय डिक्शनरी डॉट कीज इज द मेथड, keys is the method which will give complete key list of, sorry, tuple of, it will give the 1D array of the keys. Okay, अगर आपको वैल्यू चाहिए, if you want to get only values, तो what you can do, my dictionary dot values. Okay, तो it will give the values only. ठीक है, yeah. So that's all about this. Hope you enjoyed, and if you really like this video, then please put your thumb, like, comment. And if you face any trouble to run these commands, so you can just please do comment, we'll get back to you. Thank you.